we go, room number 1936. It's not opening. There it is.
Never works first time, does it?
No. Mugs you off, that's why. Oh. Oh wow, fancy. You can stick the light on.
We'll put your card in. Voila.
Ooh. Just wait. Wow, look at the artwork. The woody lights. They have literally just cleaned in here. It's lemon fresh. This is so cool. Look at the, just like the blanket. Looks fun. All of this. You've got your telly. Ooh. Oh, it can be like an interlocking door. Room, sorry. Got drawers. They're big drawers. Oh wow, look at this light. Woody in his boot. There's a snake in my boot. Mirror. Hello. This is cool. And look at the view outside as well. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this. I made a right faff of this. Go behind the curtain. Look at this. We got a pretty cool view. Look at all the wallpaper. It is so cool. And then let's see the bathroom. There's Rhys holding the door open with all the cases outside. Sa. Ooh, it's red. Red and yellow. It's got all the cups. Oh, it's like a wooden kind of vibe. It's just like a tile panel. We've got the shampoos. Yes. These become artwork in our house. We don't use them. They 100% come home with us. We can't be the only ones. Looks good. You've still got the shampoo there. Anytime today. Oh, there it is. Howdy, Family Davis.